Hello my dear fellow day traders, welcome to 4th Jan 2019's pre-open analysis. Today SGX Nifty is showing 9 points down move, but US markets have pretty badly gone down. Dow Jones was down by 660 points. Nasdaq was down by 202 points. S&P was down by 62 points. Dow Jones was down by 2.83%. Nasdaq down by 3.04%. And S&P down by 2.48%. So seeing the cues from US markets and SGX Nifty, Indian markets will open in red in today's pre-open session. Indian markets have done pretty badly for itself yesterday. There was a huge crash in the market. I had previously told 10,672 will act as a very strong support for the market. So did it happen. 10,672 is exactly the level where the market has stopped in yesterday's session. Let us see what Indian markets have to offer in supports and resistances. Support being the next level of support below 10,672 will be 10,663, 10,650, 10,600, 10,563 level, and 10,550 and 10,500. If the market has to go down more, 10,484 will be a big support for the market. If the market has to go up from here, taking support at the level of 10,672, the market may go up to the level of 10,707, 10,771, 10,800, 10,824, 10,850, 10,884 and 10,900 levels. Those are the levels we have to watch out for as resistances. See, whenever the market usually goes around the level of 80 or 90 levels for fast stochastic and slow stochastic, market tend to correct downwards. So the market went upwards and it was around the range of 70 to 80 on fast stochastic and slow stochastic. It found a way to correct downwards and it is now down. So the MACD is showing that we have a great momentum loss in the market. Though it is sideways, MACD has given a cross down. So it shows that the market is about to go more down in the market because there is a momentum crash in the market. So seeing the cues of fast stochastic, slow stochastic, MACD and the mood of the market may go down to the level of 10,550 levels and then come up to the levels of 10,800 or 10,900 as it seems, or it may take support at the level of 10,672, which is a very strong support for the market. It may take support here and afterwards plunge down in today's session itself. That's the technical knowledge for today, guys. If you want this technical knowledge for yourself, click on the first link in the description below. There is a session happening tomorrow and after tomorrow from 11 a.m. to 6 p.m. on 2 days, that is Saturday and Sunday, in 91 Springboards, Residency Road, Bangalore. And this will be an online session every time I host this particular session as well. You'll be taught 3 strategies which makes you money on a daily basis. If you like this video, give a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and share the video for all the knowledge needies. This is Ashok Kumar signing off, people. Happy trading and happy money making.